What have we been doing?
I don't actually know.
You got it? No, this old guy has to get down here first.
Those rocks are not good.
Okay.
Tell him when you got it.
You're good. You're done. Perfect.
So who says you can't tow a Jeep with your fifth wheel? So we're gonna head to Essenhaus. I can't even say it. Dutchman Essenhaus restaurant tonight. Pretty big deal. You can see. I'll show you the parking lot. It's pretty full. Hopefully get some Amish cooking. Pretty big place. This is the first hot chocolate of the season. As you can see, I got my jacket out for the first time other than when we went in the cave. And it's a little chilly out. Mom's got her sweatshirt on.
Hanover College.
That's for you, Kathy. And the boys are plotting how they're going to drink their hot chocolate, I guess. Okay, we finally got them all. They're all enjoying. All it took was, what's the name of the show?
World of Dance.
World of Dance to get the boys and the girls out here. Of course, Bryce can't keep his feet to himself. So we got Brooke here unboxing her school supplies. Seems pretty excited. What's the best part?
Probably the science kit with the microscope, the thermometer, and then
Alright, so we're about to enjoy some Rise and Roll Bakery has donuts with ice cream filled donuts. So they're about to enjoy them. What do you think, guys?
get any ice cream? No ice cream. That's good. That's really good.
So that's a glazed one Bryce is eating that Brooke says is good. And that's a, what is this one?
That's the cinnamon cake.
Cinnamon cake.
That's good too.
What do you think, Ty? Which one's better?
This one.
That one?
I agree. That one's better. But they're both good. You're getting ice cream. That's why you might not have ice cream. It's good. Just be hungry.
Man, have you ever seen a McDonald's like this? Like a castle over there. Coolest one I've ever seen. Anyway, it's not in Orlando or New York City or something, so which is where I would expect to see something like that. But,
What do you think they should?
okay, who's going to win this game of Filler Bust?
I just got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All the straight.
How many points is that?
Plus 1,000. Plus 1,000, so I got 2,500.
Holy
Including
smoke.
the 1,000.
Well, keep going.
I don't know though, because I don't want to lose all of
You
it.
gotta go. You gotta go till you run out.
But you usually.
You gotta go till you bust.
What do you think I should do, Mom?
Go,
Right, I'll
go,
stop.
go, go. Okay, so we're headed to, we just left the campground, Shipshewana campground, and when we got to the campground, we noticed that there is a Crowder concert just 15 minutes down the road. So Corey
One of
and,
my favorite singers.
one of her favorite singers, and mine. And it's only 15 minutes away, so we are going on a little date night, me and Corey, and we're going to eat some fair food and watch Crowder.
A little bit stronger. When the fear in my heart digs a little bit deeper, and my faith just gets a little bit weaker. Where could I run to? Where could I go? And even when it feels like my world is shaking, even when I've had all that I can take, I know.
So we were trying to figure out what they were doing, and it looks like it's like musical chairs for horses. So I guess they had to switch riders. I don't know if you caught that, but anyway, looks like fun.
We're the cutest kids I'd ever seen in that front yard.
First elephant ear I've ever tried. See how it is? I haven't. Yum yum. I like it.
What?
Did you end it?
What?
Hey guys, is it ended?
Oh, sorry.
Turn it on.
It is on.
No, it's not. Oh, okay. Hey guys, you're turning it off right here.
No.
Hey guys, back at it again. So this is what happened. We had to pull over
Welcome to
because
Enter your
our tire was bad. No, Mom, she's gonna get all over my blanket.
Sweaty. Well, look, sweaty.
Do we go? We have to go.